Okay, it's a simple question of mensuration. What's given here? A, B, C, D, E, F are three parallel lines. A, B, C, D, E, F are three parallel lines. Okay. What else is given? A, B, C, D, E, F. These are three parallel lines. Let D1 and D2 be the distance of the CD from AB and EF respectively. So distance between these two lines is D1 and distance between CD and EF is what? D2. Where it's given that the ratio of the D1 and D2 is 2 is to 1. That means CD is twice as far from AB as from EF. So he's talking about this perpendicular distance. Now P is a point on AB. I'll take a point P here. P is a point on AB. Q and S are the points on CD. So we'll take this point as Q and this point as S. Well, R is a point on EF. This is EF. Make a correction in question. This is EF. If the area of the quadrilateral PQRS, now where is R? PQRS is 30 square units, and what is the value of QR? What is the value of QR when the value of SR is at least? I don't know where is R, but it's given that the value of SR is at least. That means SR should be the perpendicular distance between CD and EF. So I'll take R here so that this SR becomes perpendicular to EF. Let's join these points. PQ, RS. This is a quadrilateral. And we also know that the distance between AB and CD is D1 and CD and EF is what? D2. If you take this value, this base as S and this distance as X. So distance between AB and CD becomes how much? 2x, which was D1 here. Now what's the area given? Area of PQRS is 30 square units. So can we say area of PQRS must be equal to area of PQS plus area of RQS. And what is the area of triangle? It's always half base into height. So base for both the triangles will become QS. And we also know that this height, this is 2S and this is only X. So indirectly I can say that area of PQS must be equal to 20 because its height is double, and area of RQS must be equal to 10. That's why their sum is given equal to how much? 30. Fine. Now what do you want? You want to find the value of SR. You want to find the value of QR, this one. Can I say it's a right angle triangle because this was perpendicular? Okay. So can we say QR square is equal to square root of S square plus X square. Now we don't know the value of S and X, but what was the area of RQS? Area of RQS can be written as half of base, that is S, into height, that is X. This must be equal to 10. So S into X is equal to 20. S into X must be equal to 20, and we know that S is an integer. D1 and D2 are integers. This X must be equal to D2. So X becomes 20 by S. And the minimum possible value of this X must be equal to how much? 1. Because I'll put S is equal to 20. When you put S equal to 20, the value of X becomes how much? 1, or vice versa. I can say that S is equal to 20 by X. 20 by X. Since X is minimum possible. So the minimum possible value of X must be equal to how much? 20. If the minimum possible value of X is 20, I'll put it like this. One of the value will become 20 and the other one will become 1. So 20 square is 400 plus 1 will give you root of 401. And root of 401 would be slightly more than what? 20. So my answer will become what? Slightly greater than 20 units. Since the values were not given, but it was given that D1 and D2 both are what? They are integers. Fine.